Okay, so here is derivatives video number 3, and in this video we're going to be talking about the chain rule. So, the chain rule. When do you use the chain rule? The chain rule is used when you have a composition of functions. You can also see this as basically when one function is inside another function. So, the best way to learn about this is just through examples. So, for one example, say I have y equals 2x plus 3 squared. If I want to find the derivative of y, or y prime, then what I'm going to do is multiply the derivative of 2x plus 3 squared by the derivative of just 2x plus 3. And this will probably look better if I just do it now. And okay, so y prime would be the same thing as this. And if I look at here, 2 times 2x plus 3 to the 1, that is the derivative of x squared. And then here, the 2 is just the derivative of 2x plus 3. So this is the derivative of the whole thing, and this is just the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. And so if I continue on with this, I'll get 4 times 2x plus 3, which is equal to 8x plus 12. And that is the first derivative of y. So hopefully this kind of makes sense. I'm going to keep going, for example, and hopefully by the end of this you'll get the hang of things. So if y equals 3 over x squared plus 2x plus 1, then y prime equals 3, okay, first I'm going to write this as not a fraction. So 3 times x squared plus 2x plus 1 to the negative 1. That'll make it easier. So first I'm going to write the derivative of the whole thing. So 3 times negative 1 times x squared plus 2x plus 1 to the negative 2. And then I'm going to write the derivative of what is inside this parentheses here. So that would be 2x plus 2. So as you can see, again, here I have the derivative of this whole thing, right here. And then here, I have the derivative of what is inside the parentheses right here. So this is like what I mean by when I say I have a function inside of a function, or a composition of functions. So I'm going to continue and simplify this just a little bit, I guess. I can just multiply this out here. I could keep going, but I think it's okay if I just leave it like this. So yeah, that is the derivative of y. Last example, y equals x to the 5th plus 2x to the 6th. So the derivative, or y prime, would be 6 times, actually, if you're actually working on this, you should pause the video and then come back and check. But anyways, I move on. Oops. Getting ahead of myself. 6 times x to the 5th plus 2x to the 5th, because I brought the 6 down and made it the coefficient. And then the exponent is 6 minus 1, or 5. And then I multiply this by 5x to the fourth plus 2. So yeah, that is the answer to this third problem right here. Hopefully these problems helped make sense, helped make the chain rule make sense. It's pretty much the best way to learn how to use a chain rule. So yeah.